Hello guys, welcome. Code Easy here. So in today's video, I will show you how you can download MongoDB Compass and MongoDB Shell in your Windows operating system. So MongoDB Compass is a graphical user interface which you can use to create and get the visual representation of your database, whereas MongoDB Shell is a command line interface, and depending on your choice, you can use any of these. So let's get started. At first, let's open Chrome and search for MongoDB Compass. Click on the first one there, and you scroll down and click download now. And at first you'll see the cell, so we'll ignore that for now and scroll down and get to this section and download the MongoDB Compass version. Save it here. Now once the download is complete, you click on that and it will simply start installing MongoDB Compass itself, and that's pretty much it. Your MongoDB Compass has been downloaded. Now what you have to do is you just have to click on connect, because this is the default URL that MongoDB Compass provides. So you simply hit connect, and these are the default database which is present by default. So to add a new database, what you have to do is you simply click on this plus sign and give this a database name. So we will give this as test db and collection name as anything. So give demo and create a database. You can see that this database with demo collection has been created, and by default we don't have any query as of now, so we will leave this one as it is. Now if you want to run MongoDB in Shell, you have to go to command prompt and just type in Mongosh, and you can see the connection has been created on my local because I already have MongoDB Shell installed. What you have to do is you have to go to that particular website again and download this MongoDB Shell. So you just click download any of these files, but for now I'll just download the zip file and save it somewhere here. Once the download is complete, I'll open that and simply extract all these files inside my local disk C program files and find that MongoDB file or folder. Click on that and select that folder and extract it there and continue. So once the extraction is complete, you have to click on that particular file and click on bin. Now after that, pretty simple, you just have to copy that file path and search for environment variables. So just for that, click on that. Over here in the advanced section, you click on environment variables, and once you go to that environment variables, inside the system variables, you try to find path, and you simply have to edit, say new, paste that particular file path over here, hit OK. Now you open command prompt again and type in Mongosh. This will create the server. Now what you have to do is, now let's just list the database that we have or that we just created in our MongoDB Compass, which is testdb and all the default database. So click on that command prompt and type in so yes, and this will list all the database that we currently have. You can also create a new database using MongoDB Shell, and for that you just have to, if that database is not over here, you just have to type in use and just write the database name. So I'll just give it as test2, and we can now show all the database again. You can see that test2 is not yet showing in this list, because for any database to show up in this list, it has to have at least one collection. So to create a new collection, you just have to type in db.create collection, and you just give a simple name, which is collection 1 and hit enter. Now you can list the database and you can see test2 is now showing. So for any database to show up in this list, you have to have at least one collection. And to clear the screen, you can just type in CLS and hit enter. That's how you download MongoDB Compass and MongoDB Shell in your Windows device. I hope this video was helpful, and in next video I will show you how you can use this MongoDB Shell, or how you can connect MongoDB Atlas, which is the cloud version of MongoDB, to your Visual Studio Code. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.